Welcome to day 7 of my 30 days of gratitude. And today I want to talk about cooking. I'm so thankful that I know how to cook. I experimented with cooking as a teenager. I have 4 sisters, so I wanted to learn how to cook. I also had a lady in my church who kind of tried to take me under her wing. It didn't really happen, right? Because she wasn't the best. But she taught me how to make certain dishes for Thanksgiving that really inspired me to want to create even more dishes that experiment with things, but also learn traditional dishes. My godmother, who's passed away now, but who was such a bright light in my life, had a sister who also cooked like for a living. And so I got to watch her cook, and people who've been cooking like their lives, like pick up things and know exactly how much it weighs. I don't know if I want to be that good, but I wanted to be good at cooking. And then when I moved to Miami, I did get food stamps in college, right? In my graduate program. And so I was able to buy more food, like buy, I mean, is it more or is it an appropriate amount? Buy food without having to ration as much. And so I was able to really learn as I was also learning about nutrition. And so then I went vegetarian and I was trying all these different vegetarian dishes. And then I was pretending to be vegan, right? I'm not vegan now, but at the time I didn't want to give up dairy. But now I don't eat no dairy at all, but I eat meat sometimes. I don't usually cook meat. Blah, blah, blah. I love cooking, and I recently made curry chicken and roti. It was good, right? It was like a win. I made it. My boyfriend happened to be over that night. We don't always know which night he's coming over for dinner, but that night I did make it, and he calls it chapati. It reminded him of something that he has in the Congo. And one of my favorite things about cooking, not just the food, because I am obsessed with food. I am like a fat girl on the inside. I'm obsessed with food. But I love having people really enjoy eating my food. Like, I want to watch people eat my food. I was joking with my mother recently about making bus up shot. If you know, just Google it, bus up shot. And the in-depth process, I added it to my list of things I'm never cooking again. Although I kind of made it like that, but that was just an experiment, trying out something different. The difficulty, the details of cooking certain things. So like croissants are on that list. Now French bread is on that list of things I just don't really want to cook again. But he liked it so much. He liked it so much, right? And my son used to be my biggest critic. My boyfriend is not really a critic at all. He's gonna say everything tastes good, even if it don't taste good. He's gonna say, "Oh, I like the texture," right? He's gonna say something positive about it. But when he really likes something, he'll keep repeating it, that he really likes something. And so I love that I know how to cook. I love that he was impressed with my cooking. And I love really good, nourishing foods. And I'm just so thankful. I'm just so thankful that I get to enjoy this part of life, like the food part of life. Because I know there's people who don't like to eat or don't really like food. That's not my problem. Actually, I'm blessed with really giving my taste buds something to look forward to. Okay? Let me know what you are feeling grateful for today, and I'll see you tomorrow.